Darkwing Craft! Craft it! What's inside?
Hey, have you ever wondered what's inside a key card to a hotel? Well, soon you will know. Okay, now I'm gonna cut it. Wait, but first I want you guys to like and subscribe, or at least just like. In 3, 2, 1. Let me do it again, right here. Is anything inside of here even? So I don't think there is anything inside of here. Yeah, nothing's inside of there, but it still somehow works.
Let's go!